Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here, and I found an interesting article on Tom's Hardware that shows us we're really moving into a world of the future that was totally unimaginable a few years ago. So let's go take a look at it.
Let's do this!
So as I said, it's on Tom's Hardware, came out a few hours ago. Meta develops hat for typing text by thinking, uses AI to read brain signals for key presses by Joey Morales. And yes, I did look up how to pronounce Joey Morales in a few places, and they all said Joey, so I know I've got that right. Are we entering the age of type thinking? Let's drop this into Reader View and get rid of these ads. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg has previously said that the company is working on a system that will allow you to type directly via your brain. According to MIT Technology Review, the tech giant was actually able to successfully create this technology with the system capable of accurately determining what key the user was pressing about 80% of the time. This probably isn't an impressive number to skilled typists. Well, it is to me. But we must remember that this machine reads your brain signals externally, no implantation or invasive procedure required, which is a feat in and of itself. I'd say a huge feat. However, don't think this is a comfortable hat that one could just wear anywhere day to day. Instead, it's a massive and expensive machine that needs to be used in isolation to work effectively. Forest Neurotech founder Sumner Norman likens it to an MRI machine tipped on its side and suspended above the user's head, with one device estimated to cost $2 million. So we won't be buying this in the store anytime in our lifetimes. Aside from that, the magnetoencephalography scanner, which reads the magnetic signals that your neurons generate when they fire, can only be used in a shielded room. That's because the Earth's magnetic field, which is several orders of magnitude stronger than the one in your head, will interfere with the reading. The machine also loses the signal when the subject moves their head, making it impractical to use in everyday settings. MetaBrain and AI research team head Jean-Remy King said the research isn't geared towards making a marketable device. Our effort is not at all towards products, says King. In fact, my message is always to say I don't think there is a path for products because it's too difficult. Nevertheless, the research returned meaningful results as it discovered how the brain produces language information. Meta's team determined that our neurons first generate a signal for a thought or sentence, which then creates subsequent signals for words, syllables, and lastly, letters. I give them credit for figuring that out. They were then able to see how these different levels interact with each other as a system for written communication. The company could then learn how this works and use it as a way to train artificial intelligence. Trying to understand the precise architecture or principles of the human brain could be a way to inform the development of machine intelligence, said King. He adds, language has become a function of AI, so the computation principles that allow the brain or any system to acquire such ability is the key motivation behind this work. So, I just found that pretty impressive, even though none of us will be using this in our lifetimes. The fact that you can use your mind to type without any physical operation whatsoever is pretty impressive to me. And you might be thinking, as I did, might this be leading to Terminator? In this case, I don't think so, because the AI isn't actually thinking. The human is doing the thinking. The AI is just translating it. So I don't think that's one of the dangers here. So I just thought this was an interesting technology that you guys might enjoy hearing about. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
So there's one other thing.
We all do better when we love each other.
Yeah.